Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to log out of DHgate account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open DHgate application. You can see over here DHgate application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now in order to log out of your account, what you have to do is look at bottom. You'll be able to find various icons over here. Tap on the account icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to your account interface. You'll be able to view your account over here. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the gear icon. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options like personalize, account security, shipping address, etc. Scroll down in this interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find the option for sign out. Simply tap on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Are you sure you want to sign out? Tap on the option yes. Now you can see over here you'll be logged out of your account. So that is how you log out of DHgate account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.